What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking, write the following propositions in symbolic form by identifying all variables and using the appropriate quantifiers. The first one is, no odd integers are even. Okay, so if we want to write this one in using quantifiers, this is gonna look like this. We are going to have for all x and belongs to integers is like this, z, and then if x is odd, then x is not even. Okay, and also we can write this one in an alternate way. In alternate way, we can write this one as for all x belongs to integer if their existent a belongs to the integer x is equal to 2a plus 1, then we will say for all b their existent belongs to integer. For all b belongs to integer, x is not equal to 2b. So this is another way to write the same thing. Okay, now let's look at the next one. In this one, it's asking no odd integers is a multiple of an even integer. Now let's go ahead and write this one in a symbolic form. So first we are going to say for all x comma y belongs to integer, we can say if x is odd and y is even then x is not a multiple of y. Then x is not a multiple of y. Now let's write this one in an alternate way. In alternate way, we can say for all x comma y belongs to integer if their existent a belongs to integer x is equal to 2a plus 1 and their existent a 2a plus 1, their existent b actually, b belongs to integer, that's z, integer, then we can say y is equal to 2b, then for all c belongs to integer x is not equal to yc. This is another way to write the same thing. Now let's look at the next one. The next one says some even integers are multiple of odd integers. So here we can, if we write this one in a symbolic form, it's going to look like there exist x and y belongs to integer x is even and y is odd, and x is a multiple of y, and x is a multiple of y. And alternate way, let's look at the alternate way. In alternate way, we can write this one as there exist x comma y comma a comma b comma c belongs to integer x is equal to 2a and y is equal to 2b plus 1 and x is equal to yc. Okay, so this is another way to write this one. Now let's look at the next one. Next one says every real number is smaller than some natural number. Okay, now here let's go ahead and write this one in a symbolic way. For all x there belongs to a real number, their existent, let's say x belongs to natural number, or we can say, because x we used already, number smaller than natural number, so we had to put natural number n belongs to natural number that's this n. Okay, x is less than n. Okay, this is the symbolic way to write this one. Now let's look at the next one. Every element of the internal 0 1 is smaller than every element of the interval 1 2. Okay, this one should be interval. Element of the interval 0 1 is smaller than every element of the interval 1 2. Now let's go ahead and write this one in a symbolic way. This is going to be for all x belongs to 0 comma 1, for all y belongs to 1 comma 2, x is smaller than y. And that's how we do that. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn discrete mathematics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.